To fix Google Chrome won't open in Windows 10, first you need to make sure Google Chrome is completely closed. For that, right-click on Taskbar, select Task Manager. In here, you need to find Google Chrome. If you can't find in here, simply open Google Chrome, then right-click on it and select End Task. This will close Google Chrome completely. After this, right-click on Start, select Run. Copy-paste the following location in here. I have mentioned it in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here, then press Enter. Here you need to look for default folder. Right-click on it, select Rename. After default, type .old and press Enter. After this, try opening Google Chrome. Hopefully that will fix your issue. If you're still seeing the same problem, right-click on Start, select Run. Here you need to paste the following location, then press Enter. Right-click on User Data, select Rename. You have to do the same thing in here. Type .old folder, then press Enter. And after this, try to open Google Chrome. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.